and the rough ice storm grabbing the lead and moving up now is entry number 5, Moraita. They're led by the rail. And as they leave the straight, it's Moraita followed by Darleb in second. On the outside is Ice Storm, Westerly Wind, Yes Poggy, and Hot Shout. Heading for the backstretch, Moraita in the lead, followed by Ice Storm on the outside in second. And by the rail in third is entry number 3, Westerly Wind, Darleb, Yes Poggy, and Hot Shout. And nearing the mid-back stretch, it's still Moraita in the lead, followed by Storm on the outside, Darleb. And moving up on the further outside is Yes Poggy. And nearing the far turn, Darleb by the rail, Yes Poggy on the outside, Ice Storm, Moraita, Westerly Wind, and Hot Shout. Rounding the far turn, the lead is taken over now by the favorite, Yes Poggy on the outside, Darleb by the rail in second, and closing in third is Ice Storm, entry number 6. But it's still Yes Poggy in the lead. It's Yes Poggy by 3.5 lengths, followed now by Ice Storm by the rail in second. And on the outside is Darleb, Moraita, Hot Shout, and Westerly Wind. At the top of the stretch, it is still Yes Poggy. It's Yes Poggy by 5 lengths, followed by Ice Storm by the rail, and Darleb on the outside, Moraita, and Hot Shout, Westerly Wind on the farther outside. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still the favorite, Yes Poggy, followed by Darleb in second. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Yes Poggy, Darleb, Hot Shout, close between Westerly Wind, Ice Storm, and Moraita.